it kind of seems like ChatGPT is a little bit more personal, emotional, which is weird, than my description. A real estate investor versus a chatbot. Can I be a chatbot in writing a description for a house for sale on the market? Essentially the description. So if you go on Zillow, they usually write about the property. And so I wanted to challenge myself to write one for a property that I'm renovating and actually give ChatGPT a simple prompt without a ton of details to see if they can do a better job at writing a description than I can. So let's compare the two and see which one we actually like better. And then we'll compare that to another description that was from a old listing or older listing that sold relatively quickly with a similar style house. If you all enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. All right, so I'm on ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask them to write me a MLS real estate description, landscaping, more. What it comes up with. This is what they have. This beautiful remodeled home has been thoughtfully updated from top to bottom with no detail overlooked. Featuring brand new mechanicals you enjoy with peace of mind, knowing the home systems are fully modernized. Step inside, find a stunning kitchen, sleek cabinetry, quartz countertops. I didn't even let them know I had quartz countertops in it. Stainless steel appliances. I didn't let them know that. Perfect for cooking and entertaining. The updated bathroom showcase designer's towel, modern fixtures, and a fresh spa-like feel. All of these things are true, but if I decided not to use all of these different materials, I would have to edit that. So what do you all think that ChatGPT came out with this? Now let's read what I put on my actual. This is what I put. I say, check out this charming all brick one level renovated rancher. Obviously have more detail, but I wanted to see what ChatGPT can do just on a general basis without me being so detailed, and it did a good job on this remodel from top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom. New plumbing, electrical, 2025 HVAC system, all new updated kitchen, quartz countertop, new cabinets, soft close. Which one of you all did better? So when I wrote this into ChatGPT on my mobile phone, this is what they came out with. So it was way more than what they did for the PC online version on a desktop. To me, they were way more in detail. So this one is similar stuff. High-end finish, fully remodeled, move-in ready, worry-free, living for years to come. To me, it kind of seems like ChatGPT is a little bit more personal, emotional, which is weird, than my description, because I was just talking about boom, boom, boom. I did all these things, and maybe because they don't have a lot of details, they lean more into that side, but they actually make it feel, or they want to make it feel like you could see yourself living here, right? Worry-free, living for years to come. You know, top to bottom. People like top to bottom for some reason. Into a chef-inspired kitchen. It's not a chef-inspired kitchen, but okay. Our gourmet kitchen, luxury bathrooms, HVAC system updates. Wow. Moving ready with all the hard work already done. All that's left to do is unpack and enjoy your space. Don't miss the opportunity to own this beautiful home, updated home. Schedule your showing today. Let me know, which one do you all prefer better? Mine's from a human being or from a AI bot service? But no, I think it's super interesting how I could just put a general description and just add the details. Okay, add that it's on a 1 acre lot. Add that it's 3 beds, 2 baths. And then everything else, I could pretty much keep the same. Or I could just change mines and add a little bit from the ChatGPT that I like over to mines, and vice versa. Just still and mix both of them together. Now I actually want to see a description on Zillow for a description that a home in this area actually sold relatively quickly. This is a description of a house that actually sold around the area where I have this house, and it's very similar floor plan, bedrooms, baths, 1 level brick rancher that usually sells pretty well. People like those type of houses, but let's see what they say. Completely remodeled, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,700 square feet, thoughtfully is from the AI. Design living space on a single level. The extensive renovation showcased quality craftsmanship throughout, creating a move-in ready residence that seamlessly blends comfort with modern functionality. And you know what? I'm just gonna copy this bad boy. The extensive renovation showcased quality craftsmanship throughout, creating a move-in ready residence that seamlessly blends comfort with modern functionality. Beautiful hardwood floors, boom, boom, boom. So they talk a lot about the practical things. Additional features, boom, this turnkey property eliminates the guesswork and waiting period typically associated with home buying. Okay. Growing families require functional space. Downsizers who value single level convenience. Okay. Simply bring your belongings and start enjoying your home immediately. So this is from a listing that they actually sold the property relatively quickly. It was updated. Similar area, similar style property like I was talking about. Now, which one do you all think is better? Let me know down below. But I just think it's interesting how much AI can impact real estate, right? I could just put a simple prompt, add a little bit of details, and boom, I have my description. And so there's so many other areas of real estate that I can use AI for even greater things to actually possibly bring more revenue to my real estate business. But let me know which one you all think sounds better. Now, the other thing is that, yeah, I just think ChatGPT, it was just challenging because I wanted to do better, right? Obviously, than the AI. And to me, it's pretty equal. Some may argue that the AI actually did a better job than me, but I'm a little bit hesitant. You all probably think this about AI, is that I'm not using enough of my brain power, right? If I could just put a simple one sentence or two sentence description in the AI chatbot, and all of this comes out, I don't have to think through everything that I did and write this whole description and paint this picture for a potential buyer when I could just have the AI do it. So it does lessen the amount of brain work that I'm doing. And is that good or is that bad? Or should I just concentrate on other things that AI can't do right now at the moment yet, right? And so it's just interesting just learning how to navigate the two. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video of ChatGPT and how it impacts real estate investing, and me going head to head with a chatbot. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below.